Imagine you've just lost your cryptocurrency. Maybe it happened through a fake investment platform. Maybe your wallet was compromised. Or perhaps someone convinced you to transfer your funds to what appeared to be a legitimate investment. Days later, someone contacts you. Or perhaps, while searching for help, you find what appears to be a professional recovery company online. They tell you they've reviewed your case. They believe they can recover your funds. Even better, they tell you something that sounds reassuring. No win, no fee. For many victims, this is exactly what they were hoping to hear. Unfortunately, this is often where the second scam begins. Before we continue, it's important to make one distinction. Not every company offering blockchain investigations or digital asset tracing is fraudulent. Legitimate investigative firms play an important role in analyzing evidence, tracing transactions, and supporting legal or regulatory proceedings. However, anyone promising guaranteed recovery, especially before carefully reviewing the available evidence, should be approached with caution. Legitimate investigations begin with evidence. Recovery scams begin with promises. Understanding that difference is the key to recognizing the warning signs before it's too late. After the initial scam, something unexpected often happens. The victim starts looking for help. Some search online for cryptocurrency recovery services, professional recovery company websites, LinkedIn profiles, law firm websites, testimonials, or WhatsApp notification. We understand you've recently lost cryptocurrency. In some cases, the people making contact may be connected to the original scam. In others, they're entirely separate criminals targeting the same type of victim. Either way, the message is remarkably similar. We believe we can recover your cryptocurrency. There's no win, no fee. For someone who has already lost a significant amount of money, that offer can feel like a lifeline. And that's exactly how the illusion begins. The company appears to begin work immediately. They acknowledge receipt of your documents. They ask for wallet addresses, transaction hashes, screenshots, chat conversations. Everything feels structured, professional. Everything appears organized, professional, and reassuring. Exactly what many victims would expect from a legitimate investigation. Days pass, then weeks. Regular updates arrive. Our investigators are making progress. We've identified several wallets connected to your case. We're coordinating with the relevant parties. Each update reinforces the same message. Your case is moving forward. Eventually, you receive the email you've been waiting for. Good news, we've successfully recovered your cryptocurrency. The funds are supposedly secure, ready to be released. There's only one final step. The company explains that before the recovered cryptocurrency can be transferred, certain administrative requirements must be completed. Depending on the story, it might be a court processing fee, a tax payment, an anti-money laundering verification, an escrow release charge. Every payment is presented as the final step, temporary, necessary, refundable. The victim pays, believing their cryptocurrency is already waiting. Then another problem appears. Another payment is required. Another explanation. Another delay. Eventually, communication stops. There were no recovered funds waiting to be released. The promise of recovery was part of the deception. If someone claims they can recover your cryptocurrency, take a moment before making any decisions. Ask yourself, can you independently verify who they are? Have they explained what they can realistically investigate, rather than promising a guaranteed outcome? Have they reviewed the available evidence before discussing recovery? Are they asking you to pay fees to release funds they claim have already recovered? Are they creating urgency by saying you'll lose the recovered funds unless you pay immediately? Can their business, legal credentials, or professional background be independently confirmed? Professional-looking websites, legal language, and polished reports are not proof that an organization is legitimate. A genuine investigation begins by establishing the facts, not by guaranteeing the outcome. Recovery scams don't just exploit financial loss, they exploit hope. After losing cryptocurrency, it's natural to want a solution. But that urgency can make victims vulnerable to a second fraud. If you've experienced cryptocurrency theft, preserve your evidence, document everything, and carefully verify anyone offering assistance before sending additional funds. Remember, legitimate investigations begin with evidence. Recovery scams begin with promises. Understanding that difference may help prevent one financial loss from becoming two. If you found this video useful, subscribe to VeryHound for more content on blockchain investigations, financial crime, and digital intelligence. To learn more, access additional resources, or explore how we support digital investigations, visit veryhound.com.